Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add GIFs to Pinterest board step by step so you can make your boards more engaging and fun. Now let's get started. Method 1, upload a GIF file. Step 1, log in to your Pinterest account. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to upload your GIF. Step 2, click the plus icon, usually located in the top right corner, and select Create Pin. This opens the pin creation page. Step 3, click Choose Image and select the GIF file from your device, then tap on Next. This uploads your GIF to Pinterest. Step 4, add a title, description, and any other details. This helps viewers understand your GIF and improves its visibility. Step 5, choose the board where you want to save the pin. You can select an existing board or create a new one that fits your content. Step 6, click Create to upload your GIF to Pinterest. Your GIF is now live and ready to be shared with your audience. Method 2, add a GIF using a link. Step 1, find the GIF you want to add online and copy its link address. Step 2, on Pinterest, click the plus icon and select Create Pin. Step 3, instead of uploading an image, look for an icon to add a link or a world icon. Step 4, paste the GIF's URL into the link field, then tap on Search. Pinterest should automatically load the GIF. Step 5, select the image and select the board where you want to save the pin. Step 6, go to the Save Pin and tap on the Visit site to view the GIF. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials.